Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So this may happen to you as well when you're somewhere and you may want to know the direction or where you are, and having the Google Maps offline is a great choice for you. You can simply use it without connecting to internet. So here we'll show you how to do that. First, open the App Store and simply download the Google Maps from the App Store. And after it's downloaded or installed on your iPhone, simply open it. Then you need to sign in to your Google Maps using your Google account. After sign in, simply tap on your profile here. Then select offline maps. Then here you can simply select your own map to download for offline users. Okay, simply tap on select your own map. Now here select the map, the location that you want to download it. After that, just simply tap on download. Then it will be downloaded on your iPhone. It's written that downloads will continue whenever you're on our Wi-Fi and Google Maps are open. To download mobile data, you can just download with mobile data. So here now it is downloading for the offline use. After it's downloaded on your iPhone, you can use it offline. So that's it. That's how you can use the Google Map offline on your iPhone 14. So thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.